Welcome. Today we are mastering Snowflake Access Control. Snowflake uses Role-Based Access Control, or RBAC. In this model, permissions are not assigned directly to individual users, but to roles instead. Think of roles as containers of privileges. You define a role with specific rights, such as selecting data or using a schema, and then grant that role to your users. This ensures security by giving users only what they need. This mapping allows organizations to scale effectively. Users are assigned to roles based on their job functions, and access flows through these predefined secure channels. The core takeaway is security through containment. Roles act as the primary gatekeepers for your data. Users inherit their permissions from these roles, allowing for granular control that prevents overprivileged access. At the heart of Snowflake security is the role hierarchy. Think of it like an organizational chart where roles inherit permissions from one another, forming a powerful tree structure. By granting roles to other roles, you build a chain of access. Here you can see how system roles build up privileges. But for your actual data, we follow a best practice model. We recommend the FAU model. Functional roles represent job duties, access roles target specific database objects like tables, and user roles are what we assign to actual people. It's clean, organized, and scalable. This structure ensures that as your organization grows, your security remains manageable. You are no longer granting access to individual users, but to roles that represent a purpose. This keeps your governance clean and auditable. Granting access to hundreds of tables manually is a recipe for error. It creates a chaotic web of permissions that is impossible to maintain as your data grows. Enter Tag-Based Access Control, or TBAC. Instead of managing individual table permissions, we label sensitive data with tags like PII equals true. By writing one policy that applies to every tagged object, you create an automated bridge between your security rules and your data. This is the most efficient way to scale security. As your data grows, your security model grows with it. No more manual updates, just robust, tag-based governance. Role-based access control is great for deciding who can access the database, but once they're inside, you need to control what they see. That's where masking policies come in. Consider a table containing sensitive personal information. A database admin needs the raw data, but a standard analyst only needs a redacted version. How does it work? A policy administrator defines the masking function. This policy is then applied directly to specific columns. It happens automatically at query time. Masking policies are essential for privacy compliance. They allow you to share valuable data insights without exposing sensitive details, keeping your organization secure and compliant. By using tools like Terraform or Pulumi, you define your role hierarchies in configuration files. These files live in version control systems, ensuring that every permission change is reviewed, documented, and reproducible. This approach provides a bulletproof audit trail. Since your configuration is version controlled, you can audit, peer review, and even roll back your security state just as you would with application code. By treating your security configuration as a professional asset, you move away from manual grant headaches and toward a scalable, secure, and modern governance model. To wrap up, a startling reality in many Snowflake environments is that 80% of granted privileges go unused. We call this overprivilege. Use Snowflake's Access History view to identify exactly what is being used. This allows you to prune unnecessary roles and follow the principle of least privilege. Stop manual grant hell by moving your security into your CI/CD pipelines. Treating governance as code ensures every permission is tracked, auditable, and version controlled. In summary, combine RBAC with tag-based access control, automate your audits, and keep your environment locked down. By following these steps, you will keep your Snowflake environment safe and audit ready.